Milos Beach is a hidden gem in the island of Lefkada. You can approach it on foot if you are keen on hiking around 20-minute walk. The view from above is stunning. Take with you water, some beers, drinks, and an umbrella, and have a beautiful day on beautiful beach. One of the most and unique beaches I have ever visited in my life. Crystal clear water to dive into, great quality of sand, and big enough so you can have your own space. It's like heaven. Enjoy.